BJP candidates from Bokajan LA area filed nomination. Denied ticket, Congress leader Elias Phangcho joins Aam Aadmi Party. Biren Singh he urges people of Amreng to vote for local candidate. Good morning, you're watching KAL Live English Primetime News with Julie Baby. After declaration of the names of party candidates on Saturday night, BJP candidates from all the 7 constituencies under Bokajan LA area had on Monday filed their nomination. Among the candidates were Surjo Rongphar contesting from Borjan, Kadom Terangpi contesting from Sarupathar, Bokajan, Madhurya Dhekel Phukan, Deopani, Saraban Telenga, Nilip, Pavitra Rongpi, Duarbaguri, Richa Togbi and Kachi Rongpi contesting from Socheng Dhanta constituency. Huge gathering of party supporters were seen accompanying their candidates to the Bokajan SDO office. Local MLA Dr. Numo Momin was also present along with the candidates.
Bharatiya Janata Party কাৰ্যকৰ্তাৰ যি উৎসাহ নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ যোৱা 7টা বছৰত কৰা ভাল কামসমূহ ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টীৰ চৰকাৰ অসমত 14টা বছৰ সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল ডাঙৰীয়া আৰু এবছৰ আমাৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াৰ নেতৃত্বত যিখিনি ভাল কাম হৈছে তুলিৰাম ৰঙাং ডাঙৰীয়াৰ নেতৃত্বত কাৰ্বি আংলং সাহিত্য পৰিষদৰ 26টা সমষ্টিতে যি ধৰণৰ উন্নয়নৰ কাম হৈছে ইয়াক লৈ পেলাই আমি অতি আনন্দিত আৰু উৎসাহিত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ৰাইজ সাজু হৈ আছে ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টীৰ 26টা সমষ্টিতে আমাক বিপুল ভোটত জয়লাভ কৰাব।
Talking to the media persons, all the BJP candidates say that their victory is assured as there is no strong opposition party. Bokajan candidate Madhurya Dhekel Phukan said that his party is eyeing for a victory with a lead of 15,000 plus votes. MLA Momin said that BJP will win all the 26 seats in the KAC.
এই উদ্যোগী নগৰীত বসবাস কৰা বিভিন্ন জাতি আৰু জনগোষ্ঠীক মাতৃত্বৰ বোধেৰে আগুৱাই লৈ যোৱাৰ স্বাৰ্থত উন্নতি আৰু প্ৰগতিৰ প্ৰয়োজন এই সকলো ৰাইজকে আহ্বান জনাইছোঁ যে ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টীৰ যোৱা 5টা বছৰৰ যি নিৰবিচ্ছিন্ন প্ৰচেষ্টা এই প্ৰচেষ্টাই যিমানখিনি আমাক আগুৱাই লৈ গৈছে এই যি প্ৰগতিৰ পথ এই প্ৰগতিৰ পথ আৰু আগুৱাই লৈ যাবৰ বাবে মই ভোকাজনবাসী ৰাইজৰ আশীৰ্বাদ বিচাৰিছোঁ আৰু সহায় সহযোগিতা কামনা কৰিছোঁ। Vote pinangan non campaign more than 5,000 votes more than 5,000 la dor bagru khan la nahi either peng declare paying to toward ultimately 600 communication is important up in health
बीजेपी तुम के इसे आइडियोलॉजी दो सबके साथ सबके विकास तुम बीजेपी सरकार बांधे पेन एजेंसी काउंसिल अलॉन्ग 2017 अधिकार पेन तुम काउंसिल चरी लो उठोट 2022 निकाल से तभी तुम हाइडेलो भुगतान थे सबके साथ सबके विकास अनुदिन दाई तुम डेवलप नहीं अतोक अनु किदुक नहीं फंदाई तुम चिंकू नहीं लापेन नीले बहावार फंड क्लेम नहीं तो पिगलांग दोवार पेन डांगलॉक दोलोंग पेन डांगलॉक हॉस्पिटल पेन डांगलॉक नॉन के क्लेम दांग दा पेनांग आंदोलु तभी लान पेले तुम के चौकलीलांग ऐसे आंसर से तुम नीले बतोक अनु पचिंगुरी फंसी नीले अर्जा।
Along with the BJP, candidates from other parties including the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party, ASDC, CPI-ML have also filed their nominations. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, KAL Live. Denied party ticket by Congress, aspirant from Nilip Elias Phangcho along with his supporters marched with the Aam Aadmi Party on Monday. Here is a report. Being disappointed of not being given party ticket, Nilip Congress leader Elias Phangcho had marched with the AAP. Following this, Phangcho will now contest the newly joined party in the ensuing KAL Autonomous Council election. After being denied ticket, several supporters of Elias Phangcho expressed their deep anger and disappointment over the Congress High Command's decision over party's candidate for the ensuing KAL Autonomous Council election. After the names of the candidates were announced, the ticket aspirant and his supporters vehemently condemned the party and chanted anti-party slogans.
Congress long ticket long le dep na phan le ni li la so ke thur dun la pukali stame non ikan thong kep an do tang lo la mane Congress ideology ko son si la tumna claim ke dama stame ong dung ka ma bang ke la tum ke claim pon ke chun che lai si do la ben party ko son si seniority la tum si ke claim pon ke dam pon ka se padu ko son si la dong so ke lang ben la tum ke lang ni de po si la so teng bulate non ke thur miau we to phan se aprang la to future ke me ke dam je phan bai si ai tum dak ke chari pon ya ning hang su dam me la tum se ticket ke long ne phan ke akisum do.
Phangcho and his supporters formally joined AAP on Sunday and secure the confidence of the party by securing party ticket for Nilip and is now in the fray.
A party jong se tum high lo la perito council cherai lo monte ni tum kar biang long pa prek dak ji la pena se mesen munin thai long si tini da dang long ba ji pima polonte non BJP sarkar same corruption thepik Congress sarkar ba corruption thepik posi pini to ba der hawar lo la chingthur poloni de aposi ni to so ke mang bang ke det ka chingthur ri phan khei chingthur ri phan long ri chingthur ri phan polonte itum atami a party lo elim chepa ogra chepa hai lo polonte itu ke mang la penito malong ahawara long la chun pon lagi besi ni tedo la sini tum peni ka do ga nilip ara da phani ka chuning ri la hello ka do ga beta nilip phani hon la penito lang rap tung bonte ra da ke mangalo pen ka do ga cherapi panse nili arja pi besi nili ngale tum.
While speaking to the media, Elias Phangcho claimed that AAP will emerge as winner in the upcoming KAC election from the Nilip constituency, as all of his supporters and well-wishers are still united and strong in their beliefs and support.
Ning theklong do bima pulorang tele tum la ke ne tum methang idut bahini bet ka chingwai la kali bosari tum ka debe inglong borpung tarapung la pen da ka do ka ve area ka do ka ve la itum Nilip constituency ke angkang theo samela angkang the open kaddo ga ve itum achar usar la per kaddo ga ve pension itum kaching vai pension kaddo ve ning the pension li phan thudang ji pu alam pen aposi nilitum ning che the per aposi itum ongdung awut pension itum hai pon.
I'm sending this report from Koilamati, KAL Live. Independent candidate going to contest in the upcoming MSc elections, Biren Singh he had yesterday appealed the people of his constituency to vote for local candidate. He made this appeal during a press conference convened on Monday. He said that never in the past had a local candidate from Amreng been voted to victory and given the chance to represent the people in the KAAC. He took the names of Elis Ingtipi and Rina Terangpi, both of the former MSA from Amreng, whom the local people trusted. He said that people of Amreng in the past had believed the candidates from outside the constituency of doing development works, which the elected representative had always failed.
Ningkan po Elis Ingtipi ke claim kadam penang army ningkan po ke claim kadam ke chok che ke lile la pen puthot e alang liphan ilitum ke claim kadam chok che pupen Rina phan puthot ningkan po pitholo la ta ke claim kadam chok che la so pasi la Amreng constituency arada tu mangke la bahini phan proyek krilu pupen Congress asong long ta la pen BJP asong long ta Elis Ingtipi han ke proyek ke la pen Rina phan ke proyek pre labang sosong atuman tani long si wang lo la pen li phasi ning na pathiro ni phan si nang tu kam claim pola pen si labang so besi ni thelo nili Amreng constituency yang bang penke no la poma nili si highway po la si nili highway lo dak pasi nili declare poson si nili kuda tintung lo.
He said that the KAAC had always neglected Amreng and the elected representative had done nothing to improve the condition of people's life. He spoke about the lack of good roads, good educational institutions, lack of health facilities and exploitations towards local farmers. Further, he said that he had decided to contest in the upcoming elections because he is disappointed with the failure of non-local elected representative to bring development in Amreng. He urged the people to remain united and strong support and solidarity in his fight by voting in his favor.
Lasidak Amreng aral tutum ke pulo no na phongke ladak ilising tipi honda kroikre lapen rina honda kroikre alternatif bang ladak Amreng alidar atum hasi pinanggi pupensi ratum thurparu samela ke Kongres tar judal pen BJP tar judal laso posi nili methang ta Amreng a constituency arar posi rat atoyun epen nilita pini bangke independence pen arjat nang koklo lasi ning thelo kar la Amreng constituency arar atum kadok awesame labangso nangke toydo pen ilang tuhan curulo.
Mohan Teran's report from Pelangpi, Karbing Long Live. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Live. Have a good day.